Now that we have forked from the repo and created our own branch, we're now ready to add an article. Navigating to add this article will not automatically move us into submitting the pull request, so that won't be covered in this video. We're just going to be discussing how to add the article to your branch. Let's navigate here to Community. And this is where you will find the article template. The article template has the YAML header that is required for submitting an article to the community docs, and it also has the article template in Markdown layout to help you get started. I already have this all ready, so what we're going to do is go right into adding a file. So we're going to select Create New File. You can see we're within the community folder, and what I want to do is now add the title of my article up here. I want the name of my file to match the article title exactly, except for any articles in the beginning. We want to remove words like a or the so that they sort alphabetically, and we want to end the name of that file with .md to make sure that it comes across in Markdown. So this article is for the Microsoft maturity model, and it is the staff and training .md. And now when I hit enter, you'll see I'm within community. I have the name of my article. I'm going to go ahead and paste in that markdown based off of the article template. And this is where I want to do some quality checks. I can switch back and forth between this markdown view and then actually previewing it. So as I scroll, I can see all of my links are working. I can see my headers are coming across correctly and my spacing, my bullets. And then at the bottom, make sure your name is there as an author. And one important thing to check on all of your links, especially if you are referencing Microsoft documentation, is make sure that you remove this little bit right here for language. Removing this from the URL means that people all over the world can go to this link and it will default to their native language. So here we can see we're going to go to this custom learning. It defaulted to ENUS for me because I'm in the United States and I primarily speak English. But again, for a really nice experience of our multilingual community docs readers, make sure you take that out of the URL and then test it to see that it works. Once I'm confident that everything looks as expected in my article, I can scroll down here to the bottom. You can see it's already saying that it's going to be creating this article for me. You don't need to add a description at this time because you'll be adding more information when you complete that pull request later. It's going to automatically commit it to this branch. Again, nothing happens until I submit a pull request for the branch because I have a couple more edits that I want to make. My stopping point right now for adding this article is to select Commit New File. Once I've completed that, you'll see it calls out that I just created that article, and now I'm going to continue going in to media and making some additional edits, but that's the end of our Add a Article video.